Welcome back to Termination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're here with Sephora.
I'm trying to cover my address, but I'm going to use a trusty,
cut it open with a knife.
trusty, scary knife if I can do this. Okay.
Pass the knife, sister.
But certainly. Now, I did take a sneak peek online to see what I was getting, and I thought more for our giveaway because my stuff that I was getting, well, it looks like this when you open the box, but my stuff I'm getting, I'll explain why. You'll see. You'll all see. Okay, so it says, let's see, just as play, nothing, the cute little comic thing on that.
I can show the back, I guess.
I don't know what is their theme? Oh, beauty goals, then versus now. That was then, this is now. I totally was singing that, sorry.
Kim's out waiting for the mail. That's cute.
That is us, like, waiting for the mail. And then you get the 50 points for the bringing the Sephora Play card. The only problem with that is you do have to go in the store, and my sister hates that because she orders
Although this
online.
month, though, they do have some...
this is online.
Yeah, I was
cool.
saying for this month, you could...
They heard your thoughts.
I know, literally.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you can actually do it online this month.
Good for them. I wonder if they're going to keep doing that.
I don't hardly ever go into the store. I buy almost all my stuff, obviously, online. Anyway, are we just pulling one of...
I thought we'd start... This would be
the
perfume thing.
Or should I grab my
I
perfume?
think this would be the perfume. I don't remember seeing this in the thing, but that's fine. Atelier, Cologne, Clementine. Now, I know we sit really far from the camera,
I got,
so...
like, Nomade Chalot. Is that how you say it? Am I saying that right? Chalot? No.
Chloe?
Nomade?
How do you spell it?
Chloe or Chalot or what?
Chalot?
Is it that?
I thought it was Chloe, but...
Chloe? I don't know how you pronounce
it might be Chalot.
this.
We had a friend like that in
And I
school.
get a lot of perfume, so you think I would know how to
This
pronounce
is
it.
the card.
I
It's
don't.
like a postcard that came with my thing. And then, as I said, I'm scared I'm a little far away, so I'm trying to scoot forward. Sorry, because I know I don't really leave you time to, like, zoom in on that. So, there's, that. That's what I got, that little tiny perfume. Now, perfumes I don't mind, because I can use them up the wazoo.
What next?
But everything else is my enemy.
So what are you grabbing? CC cream?
Caviar, CC cream, 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in hair perfector. This, like, partial, like, wanting to give it to
it's for hair?
the giveaway, just because,
Mine's a BB thickening spray.
only because I'm starting to get a lot of hair products.
Sorry.
So it might be giveaway, but I'm getting a lot of hair products. So that's a 50-50. I don't remember seeing that one either, but maybe I just thought, oh, another hair product. What is this? Sephora Mud Mask. This is the one thing we got the same, right?
Yeah,
It
sure.
looks
Like that. Yeah.
Is that okay to see? Like, either way. Hopefully you can see one of ours. It's a mud mask, purifying and mattifying with zinc and copper. Yeah. I don't know if it says anything else about that. I always thought one of us should read all the other one says. Here, I'm just going to dump mine out real quick to see. Okay.
I'm trying to make mine match whatever you pull.
Oh, they didn't even give me what they promised. I'm opening mine, right? That's so weird. I'm not getting, like, what I was supposed to be getting. Isn't that odd, remember? I even told her what I was getting.
I don't know what to tell you.
I even told her what I was getting. I was supposed to get, like, an eyeliner, a Kat Von D eyeliner for the giveaway. But I could put this in the giveaway instead unless I decide to use it. But I still have mascaras and stuff to open.
And I will put that in the giveaway. Tardiest Tart.
I don't care. Okay.
Here, that can go in the giveaway.
Yay! Okay. Giveaway. Yeah, see, this wasn't...
What is that?
Original Mineralville, like an eyeshadow.
So instead of this, I guess, she got that. So I got the
that
tattoo
weird?
liner.
How come it said for me I was getting that? That is so weird, Sephora. What are you doing? Like, seriously. Like, why is it saying on my thing what I got and then she's getting it instead? Like, that's odd. But eyeshadow, that'll probably go in the giveaway because no eyeshadow. No eyeshadow. But I thought I was getting the Pore Professional,
And then my last thing is Hourglass Mineral Primer.
Oh, it is. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I thought this was, this is my favorite, like, primer that I usually have, but I got a full size from a guest at my hotel one time. And because I like it so much, I haven't used it yet. So I still have that full one, so this will go in the giveaway. So, so that's what we got, but it's just, as I said, I thought I was supposed to get the liner. Like, that's odd. It was supposed to be, like, at least 3 or 4 different things than what I got. So I don't know what they're doing. That's really weird. So I guess I'll actually use like 2 of the items and then we'll see what else goes in the giveaway. But the mascara for sure, the eyeshadow for sure, and the primer for sure are going to go in our giveaway bag. And it's getting kind of big, but we are going to try to split it between 2 people. And that is coming up very soon. As soon as we have 50 subscribers, we are trying to wait to that point to at least get 50 because I don't feel like that's asking that much. But that was it for now. If you saw anything you like, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of that giveaway we're doing soon. And thanks for joining us. We'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.